what happened. I didn't catch it on video. So my clutch fan broke, or the blades of the clutch fan broke, which ended the life of the radiator. And we've got Tommy here in the car. And Tommy is normally riding with Brian, but we have Brandon riding with Brian. And the reason for that is that Brandon has broken another axle. So that's it in a nutshell. A good thing that Duarte Drift HQ happen to have exactly the same aluminum radiator that I have in my car. And Andrew Withers helped me out tremendously by driving into the parts store where we could get some tools and another clutch fan, because I'm replacing the clutch fan too, although it looks like it's totally fine. But we'll have all the stock then. And the only thing missing now was the fan blades. And so thanks everybody. Thanks Jordan for letting us ride this car, which is not as easy as it seems, because as you may be able to hear in the video, we're rubbing like crazy because this man obviously needed to have a super stands out car which cannot take anything more than a pack of cigarettes besides himself before it starts to rub. So am I wrong?
Semi-wrong, but it's yes, there's a really nice fitment. That's great with me in the car. Yes, you're right about that. It wasn't on purpose.
Jordan,
What?
a few words about the fun zone.
You can find them online. I don't remember how.
Oh, it's a new radiator in. I had some hoses with me. Chelsea picked them up for me when this car was built. Obviously the radiator is screwed up. I think this thing is pretty recent, this clutch fan, just that the plastic came off. My friend Andrew Withers moved heaven and earth to get a new plastic piece, and we have a brand new AutoZone clutch fan over here. I think the clutch fan itself is pretty much okay, but whatever, we're changing it out anyway. So one trick with these things on any BMW, if the coolant's completely out, fill it up from this side and then just twist it and put it on. It's gonna prevent a lot of air from entering the system. Don't forget to take a look at our website as well, einzel.nl. We ship worldwide, of course, Wisefab, Feal suspension, our own brand Einzel, gearboxes, quick change differentials, axles, all kinds of things. A lot of fabrication components, of course, air jacks, subframes for quick change, you name it. Drop us an email and we'll hook you up. So that's not good. So we got the car fixed. Yeah, it seems to run okay. It doesn't seem that they hurt the motor at all. Bleeds really nicely, and just gonna get some food in me and then do some driving.
So it's 2 and 2? 2
and 1.
Wonder what's in the script for fielding today, and what's in the script for these guys over here is a reminder of Seth Waldron's problems over at NOLA last year. These guys don't quit, and that is super cool. This is the spirit of Drift Week right here. Something really weird happened. The BMW motor failed out here. We spoke about it last night a little bit, and we suspected it was like some kind of error with a motor that these guys just got. Somebody may have like built it wrong, because there's a huge hole in the block over here, which is very weird. There was a, oh yeah, there we go. That's not supposed to do that. so good seeing this car move.
Can't believe it's just a relay problem.
It's incredible. It's good stuff, man.
Yeah,
you guys are legends. I love it. Yeah, man.
We got the wrong relays. We swapped the relays.
Yeah, I know.
These two right here.
I know. He knows.
Yeah,
They said like, hey, it's shorting out. They said, did you check the relays? You good?
Always good.
What's up? My friend Jerry.
What's going on?
How have you been, bro?
I've been doing great. How are you doing today?
I'm very good. My car's fixed.
That's what I was saying. It has been running well today?
Oh, it was great. It was all good.
That's awesome.
Did you take any good shots?
Oh yeah, I took a ton of good shots.
Man, it's like a kid on Christmas. Oh, you have a GoPro on your camera.
Yeah, about 4,000. Yeah, it gives a really nice perspective when I'm shooting down, so I can get like a video of what I'm shooting and then cut to the final footage.
That is so smart. That's so smart.
Yeah, it helps people understand how to shoot and like what I'm doing to get the composition that I get. So that's why I like doing it.
That's so smart.
Thank you.
Doing the last lap with these tires. Tires are almost gone. Let's hope we'll get another lap out of it. that was our time at Medford, which was fantastic, but it also cost Brandon his clutch. One of the locals offered us a shop that we could use to swap out the clutch, so that's where we headed next. Such a renegade.
There you go, Allie, a little bit. Here. All right, great. Hey, how's it going, guys? Today's episode on how fucked up is fucked up. We have a smoke clutch because Brian drove the car.
You mean fucked up for real?
First off, you better bleep that out because otherwise you had demonetized.
Shit, Solomon, the renegade, is putting on his gloves. Now it's on.
That's gonna bind probably. Do you agree or no?
It's a pretty sketchy looking.
It's better than the shit I have, I think. You think that should be shaking? No, it's not. It's at an angle that these move between each other and it's gonna potentially bind.
Was this the same locket as the guy that broke down?
Yes.
Two-minute flash to be done. Burble. Jordan has the hardware and fucking burbling all your cars. I'm especially Wouts.
Jordan, how much you ask for a burble tune?
Depends on the car, from $250 to $1,000.
How much for an E54?
I can do it for $1.
He won't do them.
Not.
$1.
It's not the same, wow.
It's the same. Mine is mechanical.
Yours is
I'm gonna incorrectly gap the spark plug, so you get unburned fuel, and when you go on throttle, it's cool burble.
Yeah, but your car is burbling on throttle.